As a teacher, you can build engaging tasks using Writer's Toolbox.
From the main dashboard, select tasks and create new task.
To make it easy, Writer's Toolbox guides you through a simple 5-step process from entering the task details to seeing what your task actually looks like. It's just like booking an airline ticket.
Step 1 is task info. Type the title of your task and enter the task instructions. Whatever you type here, the students will see when they undertake the task themselves.
If you know it, select the intended year level, word length, and a due date for the task.
If you ever just want to build a task to use at a later date, just leave these fields blank.
In addition, should you wish, you can attach a PDF to a task, which is helpful if you have further information you want students to read or study.
Step 2 is sequence. This screen allows you to decide the thinking and the writing tools your students will use as part of their task.
Mind map, box plan, and writing tools are already pre-selected. If you do not want students to use one of these for their task, merely deselect them.
Edit box plan allows you the option of typing specific headings for the planning boxes your students will see.
Select writing tool is where you select the actual writing tool you want your students to use.
Each of the writers are shown here, along with a quick image of the interface the students will see.
To choose the writer for your task, simply click on it.
Step 3 is where you can customize specific writing support for your students and their tasks.
Checklists allows you to create individual checklists for your task. Helpful reminders for students of key things to do, or perhaps learning objectives.
Keyword functions in the same way. You can enter useful words, even whole phrases or sentences, that you would like your students to use as part of their task.
Sentence styles and then paragraph styles are pre-selected according to the age of the students for whom you are building the task.
If there are any styles you specifically do not wish to show, merely deselect them.
The Images section allows you to build an exciting visual dimension to any task.
You can drag and drop your own JPEG image, or choose from any of the several hundred inside Writer's Toolbox image gallery.
Step 4 is the home run.
Woo!
Here you can preview the task you have built from the mind map, to the box plan, to the writing tool you specified. Even the images you selected and keyword lists are visible.
Preview is a great high-level check on what you've made. Lastly, the Demonstrate tab opens your task live. You can do the task yourself, or you can model it to your students. Your file is automatically saved in Work for you to pursue at a later date.
If you want to alter any aspect of your task at all, you can switch back and forth between screens in the task building process, and your changes are automatically saved.
Finally, step 5, send and share. Here you can send your task to your students, share it with colleagues, and even do it yourself.
So, if you've already set a due date, merely select a class and off goes your task. You can also share your task with other teachers in your school, or indeed any teacher using Writer's Toolbox.
Remember that if you don't want to send tasks to your students, you don't have to.
Everything you make here is saved under drafts in the tasks section, so you can send them whenever you want.
So have some fun and build some really great tasks for your students.